vegetarian egg and vegetable bread sandwich. Welcome back to Ebuzor's Corner TV, where we make simple food taste special. Today, I'm making a quick, delicious, and satisfying vegetarian egg and vegetable bread sandwich. This recipe is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even a light dinner when you want something easy, tasty, and filling. First, I cracked 3 eggs into a plate and added a little salt to bring out the flavor. Eggs are a great source of protein, and they also contain important nutrients that help keep the body strong and satisfied for longer. Then I added my already washed and chopped vegetables, cut into small sizes so they can mix well with the eggs and cook evenly. The vegetables bring color, flavor, fiber, vitamins, and minerals to the meal, making it more balanced and nutritious. After that, I mixed everything together properly until the eggs and vegetables were well combined. Then I placed my saucepan on the heat and sprayed in a little vegetable oil. Using the spray type helps to control the amount of oil, so the meal is not too greasy. Once the pan was ready, I poured in the egg and vegetable mixture and allowed it to start cooking gently. While the eggs were still tender and not fully set, I placed 2 slices of bread directly on top of the eggs, so the bread could absorb some of that lovely flavor. After a few minutes, I carefully turned everything over to cook the other side. I allowed it to fry for a little while until the bread became lightly toasted and the eggs were fully cooked. Then I folded the 2 slices of bread together, bringing all that egg and vegetable goodness into the middle. And there you have it, a simple, tasty, and nutritious vegetarian egg and vegetable bread sandwich. It is soft inside, lightly crispy outside, colorful, and full of flavor. Because it contains eggs, vegetables, and bread, it gives you protein, fiber, energy, and important nutrients in one easy meal. This recipe can also be made more diabetic-friendly by using wholemeal or wholegrain bread, adding more vegetables, using little or no extra oil, and keeping the salt moderate. As always, portion size matters, especially for anyone watching their blood sugar. So this is a lovely meal idea for anyone who wants something quick, homemade, and satisfying without using meat or fish. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Ebuzor's Corner TV for more simple and tasty food ideas. See you in the next video.